Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnail images for the YouTube videos using free AI tools. I'm going to use free ChatGPT and free Google Gemini to create YouTube thumbnails. Let me show you the thumbnails that I have created using Gemini and ChatGPT. This is a thumbnail that I created using Google Gemini, and this is a thumbnail that I created using ChatGPT. Let me show you some other thumbnails that I created. This one is created using ChatGPT, and this is another thumbnail that I created using ChatGPT, and I used only the free ChatGPT account. If I go to Google Gemini, you will see one more thumbnail that I created using Google Gemini, and this thumbnail is also created using Google Gemini free account. So I'm going to show you how you can create free thumbnail using these AI tools, and let me know in the comment section which AI tool is creating good thumbnails. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into my Google Gemini account, and here I'm logged into the ChatGPT account, and I'm using the free version of the ChatGPT and Gemini account. You will see that I have previously created some thumbnails using Gemini and the ChatGPT. However, on the Gemini thumbnail, you will see a small watermark is there in the bottom right hand corner like this. And on the ChatGPT thumbnail, you won't see any watermark. Alright, so let's close it, and we are going to create a new thumbnail using Gemini and the ChatGPT. So let's start with the Gemini first. If you want to use a Gemini, you can use your Google account. If you are using Gmail or YouTube, then you can use the same account for Gemini. And the website will be gemini.google.com. And I'm going to click on New Chat. And here we have ChatGPT, and the website for the ChatGPT is chatgpt.com. If you do not have account on ChatGPT, you can create a free account. So let's click on New Chat on ChatGPT. Okay, let's start with the ChatGPT. Here you will see a plus sign. Click on plus sign, and you will see an option Create Image. Click on Create an Image. Now we are going to add a prompt in ChatGPT, and we have selected image. That means we want to create an image using the prompt. Definitely there is some limitation on how many images that you can create in a single day. If you click on the plus sign, it will show you how many credits or how many images that you can create in a day. Now let me show you the prompt that I'm going to use on both the AI tools. This is the prompt: create a YouTube thumbnail for the topic, and this is the topic: create free YouTube thumbnail using Google Gemini and ChatGPT. So I'm going to create a thumbnail for the video that I am currently recording. How to create thumbnails using Gemini and ChatGPT. And below that you will see some additional description. I am going to create a video tutorial in which I'll explain how to create YouTube thumbnails using free Google Gemini and free ChatGPT AI tools. Both the AI tools are free to use and create amazing thumbnails for YouTube videos. Use logo of Google Gemini and ChatGPT in thumbnail. The title needs to be big, clear, and easily readable with good color contrast. Create high converting, attractive YouTube thumbnail using above information. Try using dark green and dark blue color combination. So we are going to instruct both the AI tools that we want the thumbnail in dark green and dark blue color combination. Use realistic American corporate working female character in a thumbnail. Also try using AI assistant image. So these are the requirements that we want in a thumbnail. And at the end, I have the thumbnail size. The thumbnail size must be 1280 by 720 pixel. So let's copy this prompt, and I'm going to use the same prompt on both the AI tools. Let's go to ChatGPT first. We have selected image and enter the prompt here, send the prompt. Now it's going to take 1 or 2 minutes to create the image. Meanwhile, let's go to Google Gemini. Click on the plus sign here and select create image and enter the prompt, the same prompt, and submit. Now this one is also going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, so the thumbnail is ready in Google Gemini. This is the title: create free thumbnails with Gemini and ChatGPT, tutorial and comparison. You will see 2 logos are there. 100% free AI tools. We have one American character American female character, and this is AI assistant. So this one is looking good. Now if you want to improve this thumbnail, you can instruct the AI tool to change the layout or change the color combination or use another character. You will need to instruct that. So I'm going to ask the Google Gemini to create another variation. All right, I want to use the content in the right hand side. Let's enter. Let's go back to ChatGPT, and this is the thumbnail created using ChatGPT. So I think this one is much better than Google Gemini thumbnail. If I open it, you will see this is the title: create free YouTube thumbnail using Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Here you will see that ChatGPT has used the logos. This is the Google Gemini logo and this is ChatGPT logo. At the bottom we have 100% free, easy and fast, step by step, professional, high quality. You will see AI assistant image, and this is another image. Here you will see a ribbon in the right hand top corner: create amazing thumbnail for free. So this thumbnail is much better than the thumbnail created using Google Gemini. Let's go back to Google Gemini, and this is a new thumbnail, and this is completely messed up. There is no content. I have asked the Google Gemini to improve the thumbnail, and let's see what happens. This time it has not created a good thumbnail. However, if I go back to my previous thumbnails, you will see that these thumbnails are also looking good. This one is also looking good. Here you will see another thumbnail that I created using Gemini. All right, so this is the new one: Master AI Programming, Unleash the Power of AI to Code, and Start Your AI Journey. Watch now. I think the titles are now completely different. So let's ask the Gemini to change the title again. All right, so this is the new image: make amazing YouTube thumbnails for free. And you will see the Gemini and ChatGPT logos are there using Google Gemini and ChatGPT based free AI. So this one is much better than the previous version. So what do you think, which thumbnail is the best one? The one created using Google Gemini AI tool or the one created using the ChatGPT? Personally, I think the one created using ChatGPT looks much better than the other one. So if you want to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos, you can try using ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.